Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is 80 words per minute and is of Andhra Pradesh, and the examination was conducted in the month of March 2025. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir. At the outset, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to say a few words on the budget presented by the Finance Minister. I am sure that this House will appreciate the fact that the government has come forward to waive the agricultural loans of the farmers in the districts affected by the recent cyclone. Coming to the next point, I would like to point out that in our state, the farmers who cultivate paddy and sugarcane are in a better position when compared to those who raise vegetables and flowers. This is because of the minimum support price that the paddy and sugarcane farmers are able to get. Hence, I request the same may be extended to those who cultivate vegetables and flowers. I would like to thank the government for setting up a large number of paddy procurement centers. At the same time, I would like to point out that the fishermen and farmers cultivating fruits and vegetables do not have storage facilities to protect their perishable goods. In spite of the higher production, they are not able to earn better income due to lack of storage. Hence, I would request the government to set up cold storage facilities for fish, fruits, and vegetables throughout the state for the benefit of these people. Coming to the issue of taxes, it is very great pleasure that the government has made a very small increase in taxes this year. In this regard, I would like to request that the increase in tax for items such as gas stoves and water cans, which are used by the common people, may be reduced to a great extent. The next point is, due to industrialization, cheap milk cloth is available in all parts of the country, making the poor handloom weavers in a sorry state of affairs. I would therefore request for orders that all the uniforms in the government schools, offices, and jails should be purchased only from handloom weavers so that the standard of living of these may be raised. It is a matter of great satisfaction to know that the government has come forward to set up industrial development committees in each district. Sir, I once again thank you very much for giving me this valuable opportunity, and with these few words I conclude my speech. Dear Sir, as you are one of our long-standing customers, we wish to bring to your notice the availability of motor spare parts with us so that you can order for the same for sale in your region. Our sales representative will be visiting your place next month. Further, I am happy to inform you that he will furnish all the details that you may wish to know about the spare parts. In addition, we have some imported spare parts for a few selected vehicles. As we have got these items on discount from our producers abroad, we will be in a position to pass on some percentage of the discounts to you also. In view of the good relation we have hitherto, we have asked our representative to give you some of these items as free samples so that you can check their utility. We hope to have very fruitful business relations with you in the future. Yours faithfully,